Today is all about creativity, innovation, flow, and momentum. And they're all under the same umbrella. But I want to ask you a personal question. Do you consider yourself to be creative? Because we either put ourselves, like we label ourselves, yes, we're a creative or we're creative, or no, we're not. And I'm here to actually challenge that. I believe that we all have this creativity that's inside of us, this artist that's inside of us, but often we're just so busy running around with our to-do list that we actually don't tap into it. And I want to throw out this idea for today and for this week to consider. And it came from a book that's near and dear to my heart, The Artist Way. And the author, Julia Cameron, talks about taking yourself on an artist date. And that's just spending time doing things. You're doing it in your home. Just taking time today to think about what it is that makes your soul come alive. If it's singing, then sing around the house today. If it's dancing, then turn on some music and dance today. If it's drawing, even if it's stick figures, then draw and doodle. If you guys remember doodling when you were like in school, grade school, just doodling, because what that does is it just starts to get those wheels turning and it gets the juices flowing. And innovation is just when we actually can unplug from all of our traditional responsibilities and allow the space for new ideas to come in. And now is the ideal time for innovation. We have to find unique ways of solving problems and of doing things different and trying new things. And nobody wants to do new things. We want to do the same old things over and over and over again. But the new things is what brings out your aliveness and it bursts innovation. And then what happens is flow. You know flow. Flow is when you lose track of time. Flow is when you're doing something that you love, that makes your soul come alive. And what happens is when you sync it all up, when you tap into your creativity, when you allow innovation in, and then you do something that you just love. You love. Even if you have a lot of responsibility, just carve out the time today to do something that you just love. And this is what I want to invite you to do right now, to take out a piece of paper and write down a list of 10 things that you love doing. Some of them you might already be doing, and hopefully a couple of them you are not doing, but you're remembering them, that you love to do them. So write out that list of 10 things. So what we're doing is we're getting into a state of flow. Once you're in a state of flow, then one great day connects to another great day, another great day, another great day, and then all of a sudden you're getting a lot done and you're doing it in ease and you're doing it with enthusiasm and you're doing it with grace, and then you're in your creativity. Because as we're stepping into this new normal, as we're redefining ourselves, it's all about getting the juices going and it's all about flow.